Hey besties, in today's video I'm going to share with you 5 amazing websites. Yes, 5 secret websites that no one is talking about where you can make easy money this year. If this strikes like something you're interested in, please keep on watching this video all the way till the end. If you're new here, please by all means introduce yourselves. I'd like to know your name, where in the world are you watching from. And if you're a returning subscriber, you guys are amazing. Thank you for your love and your massive support. I see you and I appreciate every single one of you from the bottom of my heart. While you're introducing yourselves, let me also go ahead and introduce myself. My name is Mariam A here in California. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer. On this channel, I share valuable resources that will help you become the best version of yourself. Just in case you're not aware, money is everywhere. You just need to know where to look. The moment you know where to look, you will never be broke again. Make sure that you introduce yourselves in the comments. And to all my Patreon members, thank you. Let's just get right into today's business. So come with me, guys. Let's go.
Mariam A.
Hey, guys, I'll be sharing with you websites where you can make good money. Nobody's talking about it. Yes, these are secret websites that no one is willing to share with you. But of course, no one is willing to share them with you. But of course, me, I am here to spill all the tea right here on this channel. So make sure you join the family in case you have not. So the first website on my list is sweatcoin.com. Yes. I'm sure you've not heard of sweatcoin.com. Have you heard of Sweatcoin before now? Yes, I'm sure you have not. So guys, Sweatcoin is a mobile application that incentivizes physical activity by offering payment for exercising. Now, this app actually keeps track of the number of the steps that you have taken, yes, by the user, and rewards you with sweat coins that can be used to redeem products. Yes, product, services, or even cash. And it's a wonderful method to stay motivated while you're earning extra income by staying physically active. The next website on my list here is GigWalk. Yes, so guys, GigWalk is a website that compensates individuals for doing small jobs in their local community. Now, these jobs may comprise taking photos of establishments, app testing, or confirming addresses. The compensation amount actually varies according to the task, but of course, it's a beneficial method to earn additional income. The next website on my list is Wonder. Yes, so Wonder is a website to earn money by doing research. There are lots of paid research opportunities. They are available on Wonder. However, not just anyone can get a job on this platform. According to the website, the application procedure should take no more than 5 minutes. Wonder will grant you access to its research dashboard to determine, that you have the necessary skills and ability. Then a company executive or a writer working on a book may hire you to answer a question and pay you for it, allowing you to demonstrate your expertise while making some extra money. Earnings for research, yes, for Wonder researchers can range between $8 to $16 for every in-depth response posted. For every response, you get paid. Guys, if you like teaching and researching, Wonder might be the perfect job for you. The next website on my list here is Amazon Mechanical Turk. Yes, so Amazon Mechanical Turk is a website that allows you to make money by performing simple tasks like recognizing objects in an image or transcribing audio recordings. Yes, it can be a profitable method to earn additional income even in your free time. Guys, the next website on my list here is Fundrise. Yes, fundrise.com. So guys, if you want to purchase real estate but you lack the resources to do so, you might use the real estate crowdfunding portal, yes, Fundrise, to aid you. Yes, if you're interested in real estate investments but you don't have the necessary funding, Fundrise will help you to raise the funds even if it's $1 million. Yes, if you put in $500, they will assist you in realizing outstanding returns on your investments. Now, unlike other fundraising businesses, Fundrise does not need accredited investors to make investments. Yes, here are some of the bonus tips that I have for you. You know, I've always got you guys covered. Make sure that you always watch my videos all the way till the end because you just never know what to expect. Now, the next one on my list here is affiliate marketing. I cannot overemphasize this. It's one of the best ways to make money online, and there are a number of affiliate programs that beginners can join without owning a website. As an affiliate, you can make money just by recommending other people's products, yes, other people's goods or even services to your own audience. When the customer makes a purchase after clicking on one of your affiliate links, guess what? You get a commission. Affiliate marketing is a great way for anybody to generate money. Yes, bringing in anything from a few thousands, hundreds to tens of thousands of dollars every month. You should sign up for affiliate marketing programs that are appropriate for your specific markets. The next one on my list here is guys, the sell ad space. Yes, so I'm sure you've not heard of it before, and I'm sure you don't know how these things work. There are so many things to unravel. I'm telling you, in the world of business, in the world of making money, make sure that you join this family, subscribe to this channel, like this video, turn on your notification bell, because I'll be spilling all the tea on this channel back to back, back to back, back to back. Yes, so come with me, guys. Let's go. Let's talk about how to sell ad space. So besties, the sale of online advertising space is a widespread method of generating passive income from your website. Yes, simply put, the more people who interact with the ads, yes, through clicks and page views, the more money you will make. So before you decide to purchase advertising space, companies think about the site's content kind, target audience, and how its visitors access the website on various devices. So it is very crucial to focus on producing high quality content and enhance SEO practices. It is as simple as joining an ad network like Google AdSense, adding their code to your website to begin selling advertising space. This is actually a good way to make money on a website without selling products. Guys, I have a lot of secret websites I'll be sharing with you guys on this channel, so make sure that you stay connected. Make sure that you stay connected on this channel. If you have not joined yet, go ahead and join this family. Tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend. Share this video with your friends and your village members, your loved ones, and your enemies. Yes, so we want them to win, not just win, but win real big. So make sure you share out these videos, because I will be sharing with you. Do you know that there are websites that actually give you, where the rich people give you money for free? There are lots of websites like that where you can get free money from rich people. And of course, on this same channel, I shared, if you want me to put the link right up here, I don't have to create a new video. I have a list of websites, weird ways to make money. Do you know you can make money selling pictures of your feet? Yes, it is right on my channel. If you want me to put the link in the comments, let me know. If you have watched the video all the way till this point, let me know. I'm gonna look for the video on my channel. It's right on my channel. You can search for it yourself. Make money online with Mariam, or have you made money today? Yes, I have multiple channels. So go ahead and check out the video. Check out all the websites, because I listed all of the websites out for you guys. So you can go there. People give money for various reasons. Now, I am not encouraging you to beg for money, but there are people who genuinely need money. Some people need money for medicals, yes, for their medical bills. And no matter how much money, how much they work, they will still be unable to foot these bills. And as a matter of fact, some people actually want to also pay their school fees. Some people have, school loans, student debts, and they need help. They need external, help. So these websites are actually a great way to not just fund your life, and even if you want to fund your lifestyle. People give money for all kinds of reasons. I'm telling you, there are people who say they are is it trans wealthy or something like that. They say they are trapped in a poor man's body, but they are rich. They need people to fund their lifestyle for them to live in their true self. Crazy, right? But trust me, people give money for all kinds of reasons. So if you go on this website that I've shared on my channel, if you want me to put the link in the comments, let me know. I'm definitely gonna put the link for you guys. If you want to see that video, and if you want more content like that, I can continue to do intense research for you guys. Guys, I slept at 3 a.m. last night. It's not easy putting all of these things together for you guys, putting all these resources together for you guys. So that's why I always implore you guys, please make sure that you turn on your notification bell so that every time I drop a new video on this channel, you're among the first to get notified. And that is it for today, guys. Money is actually everywhere. You just need to know where to look. The moment you know where to look, trust me, you will never go broke again. And that is it for today, guys. I hope I've been able to convince you, I'm not confused, that you can make money from the comfort of your home using all of these websites that I've shared with you. Make sure that you also check out my previous videos and start to apply as quickly as possible. I'll see you guys in my next video. In case no one has told you today, let me be the first to tell you that you're amazing, and I am so proud of you. All right, guys, take care of yourselves and good exploits, and I will see you in my next one. Bye, guys.